Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a 12 by 12. I already laid the black down because it's so messy. Oh, that's not a clump. Okay, so what I want to do is a little flip and drag across with a little bit of airbrush technique in there. I had so much black mixed up for some ideas that I had that didn't work with the blow dryer, so we're going to use them up. We're going to use it up on something else. So I'm still not giving up on the blow dryer idea. Okay, so I'm going to use Viridian. I think that's Viridian. Yeah, Viridian from Lucas. Artist Loft Aqua. Artist Loft Light Blue. Artist Loft Sea Mist Pearl. Oh, I'm not sorry. Craft Smart Sea Mist Pearl. And Artist Loft Turquoise. So I probably will put a little bit of white in there, but not much, just to break up some color. And it's not going to be a very big cup, so we'll start with our 5-ounce cup and our WD-40 silicone spray. I'm going to rub it in. And I got it on the canvas, as you can see. Maybe. I was way over there, too. Okay. So I think I'll start with a little bit of white in the bottom. And I'm going to follow that with the Viridian. I don't need a lot of paint, so Sea Mist Pearl. And go with the Artist Loft Turquoise. A light blue. And the aqua. I'm trying a blue-green alternate to see if that makes a difference. I'm always experimenting with layering. So I just gave it a tiny swirl, and I'm going to pop it in the middle. I'm going to airbrush this, by the way, just so you know. Okay, it's all down. So nice when all the paint goes down. Okay, so I'm going to come this way first so I can control some movement here. It does not want to let go of that paint. Okay, take it right off the edge. I don't think I'm going to have to do much with this. It's cooperating. Just tilt it just a little bit. Just widen it up a little bit. Come over the edge. My voice is getting hoarse. Okay. I'm going to torch that and see if I can bring up a few more cells through that black. I should have done a push and pull. I haven't tried that yet. Nope, nothing else. Okay. I'm going to start pushing some color out. And my black's not really thick, so this color should go, but of course you know black's going to eat my color. It will, I don't know if you've ever seen black paintings. They look very scarce on the edges because the black just overtakes the color. Like I can push all this out and it'll all be gone tomorrow. So that's why I'm going a little bit farther. Okay, let me turn it around. I'm gonna have to push those out just a little bit more yet, but I hate black paint. I say it every video that I use it, don't I? It's so messy. I love the paintings with black. I just don't like the mess with the black. Cooperating. Gotta show who's boss, right? Never gonna happen. I'm just gonna touch these and bring them out, and then I'll switch it around and do the same thing on that side. They'll all be gone in the morning. There's lots of color there. And I think that's all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it alone. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment if you want. Join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art, and also my Etsy shop at Christina Welch Art. And if you have any questions that you don't want to post here, you can reach me through the Facebook, and I will definitely get back to you. But thanks for watching. Here's a close-up. It's pretty. I love when the colors just lace with the black. So thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.